Picture this. It's a Friday night. The sun is setting, your family is gathered around the backyard, and instead of waiting for a delivery guy, you pull out your very own Bighorn 12-inch portable gas pizza oven. In just 90 seconds, you've got a bubbling, golden-crusted pizza sliding out of the oven, crisp on the outside, fluffy inside, and topped with that gooey cheese stretch everyone loves. This isn't just dinner. This is an experience you'll never forget. Let's be real. Delivery pizzas are expensive, greasy, and often arrive cold. And traditional ovens, they just can't reach the intense heat needed for that authentic pizzeria-style crust. You end up with soggy bottoms, unevenly melted cheese, and a whole lot of disappointment. But what if you could skip the wait, skip the cost, and make restaurant-quality pizza at home, anytime you want? That's exactly where the Bighorn 12-inch portable gas pizza oven comes in. Powered by propane, it cranks up to a blazing 900 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. The same heat professional pizza chefs use in brick ovens. And thanks to its thicker cordierite stone, your pizza cooks evenly every single time. The result? A crispy, golden crust with perfectly melted toppings. The kind of pizza that makes your family say, "Wow!" This isn't just about pizza. This versatile oven can handle steaks, lamb chops, salmon, burgers, even roasted veggies. Imagine grilling juicy ribeye while your friends are sipping cold drinks, or roasting salmon with that smoky, seared perfection only high heat can give. One compact oven, endless delicious possibilities. And it's designed with real life in mind. The foldable legs make it easy to transport, perfect for tailgates, camping trips, or family gatherings. The silicone rubber feet prevent scratches and slipping, so you can set it up on almost any surface. Durable, portable, and built to last. With a warranty of more than 2 years, you can trust this oven to deliver meal after meal without worry. Think about it. Food has always been about connection. It's about bringing people together, sharing laughs, making memories. The Bighorn gas pizza oven transforms ordinary meals into unforgettable moments. Birthdays, holidays, game nights, or just a Tuesday evening, every occasion feels special when you're serving up gourmet-style pizza in minutes. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars at restaurants or waiting for soggy delivery, you'll create those wow moments right at home. And here's something you'll love. Thousands of families across the country have already discovered the magic of Bighorn. They rave about the crispy crust, the easy setup, and how it instantly became the centerpiece of their gatherings. Plus, Bighorn backs every oven with an excellent, around-the-clock support team, because your satisfaction is their top priority. Now here's the exciting part. For a limited time only, you can get your very own Bighorn 12-inch portable gas pizza oven at a massive 40% off, but only until October 31st, 2025. That's right. Restaurant-quality pizza, steakhouse-level grilling, and backyard memories for nearly half the price. All you have to do is use the discount code in the description before this exclusive deal ends. So don't wait. Don't settle for soggy delivery or overpriced restaurants. Take control of your cooking, your gatherings, and your flavor. Bring home the Bighorn portable gas pizza oven and start creating the kind of meals that bring people closer together. Click the link, use your discount code, and claim your 40% off today, before the offer disappears. Bighorn, where every bite feels like home.